Hi friends, I'm Aparajita and today in this sample video I'll take up a function called paste special function. This function is very important for research analysts when you actually share your research report with others, like for example brokerage firms or banks. A research analyst would always want to protect the formulas in the worksheet. For example, here if I actually give you the original worksheet, you know that gross profit is equal to revenues minus cost of sales. But if I want to, give this financial model for you to see, wherein you can see the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, revenue metrics, cost metrics, schedules, but I want my formulas to be protected. I don't want anyone to see my formulas. Then probably I'll be using the paste special function, and it is really helpful for research analysts. So how do we use this function? For example, we just copy this till depreciation. Now if we see, if we simply copy things, then for example, if I just do control C and control V, my formulas will also be copied along with control C and control V. For example, I'll show you control C. I've copied it all. Control V. Here when you press this, you can easily see the formulas, that is gross profit is equal to revenue minus cost of sales. But my purpose is just to show my financial model. My purpose is not to share my formula because that is my trade secret. So what do I do for this? We will be using paste special function for this. Okay, let us delete this. Go back to our income statement. Just select this till depreciation, right click, click on copy, go to another worksheet. On this cell, we again right click. There is a function called paste special function. You click on that, you see a lot of buttons, all formulas, values, formats. So if we just click on values, press OK, and here we go. 359. You don't get the formula for gross profit. You don't get the formula for operating profit. You don't get formulas for profit after tax. So this function is very important when you really want to share your Excel file without sharing the formulas which you have used. Friends, we have to if you really want to understand this paste special function, you have to play with it. For example, I'll do this. I'll teach you one more way where paste special function can be of much value. You can actually convert the vertical figures into horizontal figures. For example, I want this figure. Okay? Only first quarter 2008 figure I want, which is vertical. I want it horizontally. So what do? I just right click, copy, go to a sheet, right click again, go to paste special, press the transpose button, okay, and press OK. See, our vertical for all the line items which were represented vertically, we can also represent it horizontally. So this is the fun of paste special. You need to actually play with it. You need to you need to give yourself a lot of challenges, a lot of examples, and I'm sure this function will be of much value to one and all. Thank you.